Hey there, thanks for taking a minute to stop by my channel. I am excited to do this video for you. We are going to be doing an unboxing of Stitch Fix. I've done a Stitch Fix unboxing video in the past, but I wanted to go ahead and do another one because the one that I did before was just items that I had picked through the stylist that you were assigned. This one, I actually sent a message to my stylist and I wanted to show you how specific they will get and cater your box to your needs if you so desire. Like sometimes I like to tell the stylist, just pick whatever, I don't really care. And then I'm surprised with what I get. Although they do send you a preview of what's going to be in the box and you have like 24 hours to decide if you want what's in it. If not, you can pick like, say, no, I don't want these. And then they'll give you like a couple different options, or you can just go ahead and be surprised. But this time I needed like some trouser pants, some like business pants, and kind of like stuff like that, not like the fun stuff. So I specifically asked for things like that, and I was pleasantly surprised when I got my box because of course they listened to me and styled this box really well. So I'm going to share it with you. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is a subscription service. It's a box that you get and you can schedule it, if you want to get a box every 2 weeks, if you want to get a box once a month, if you want to get a box every season, whatever you want. They also do clothes for children. They do clothes for men, whatever you need. And they've got all kind of sizes. They have some super expensive clothes. They have some clothes that are not so expensive. They've got shoes, accessories, jewelry, shapewear, and some shoes, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. I got some booties from them, which didn't come in this box, but I just wanted to show them to you because, I mean, who doesn't love a pair of shoes, right? I'm constantly getting shoes. And they even have handbags, which is wonderful. But this particular box that I'm going to share with you, I had specifically asked for some business type pants, and some jeans too, because they sent me really great jeans. I've gotten some great jeans. In fact, the shirt I'm wearing today is actually from Stitch Fix. Hang on, I'll turn around and show you. I don't know if you can see this sweater that I have on. It has like the X's in the back. I like it. It's kind of cute. And it was I don't know how much I paid for it. I want to say it was $25 or $30. It wasn't terrible if you consider the fact that, I mean, it was shipped directly to my house. I didn't have to go to the store. I didn't have to try it on. I didn't have to rummage through the clothes. And I like that because going out into the store sometimes can be a little bit overwhelming. And I like just having it show up to my house because sometimes it's a surprise. It's like Christmas every day. And excuse me, there's different plans you can pick from on Stitch Fix. Usually there's a $20 styling fee that you pay, and you have to pay the $20 styling fee if you don't choose pieces in the box. If you choose everything in the box, the $20 styling fee is waived and it is applied to your order for whatever it is you chose in the box. I am on the plan where I pay, I think it was $49, and I pay it once a year. And then I have no more styling fees for the rest of the year. There is no shipping. And they ship the box to me. Whatever I don't like, I put back in the prepaid envelope that I'll show you in the box and just drop it off in the mailbox, and I'm done. I don't have to go to the post office or anything. I love it. I mean, what's not to love? For that small fee, I get clothes sent to me whenever I want. And now if I have a special occasion coming up, I've got 2 weddings coming up here in March and April. I'm going to ask for some wedding outfits because where I live, we don't have like a really great mall. I would have to travel up to the next big city, which I don't have a problem with doing that. But if Stitch Fix can send it to me, why not? And then I get to try on a whole bunch of different things, and I really love that. Now, at the end of this video or down in the description box, I'm going to leave you a code that's going to save you some money on your first box if you decide that you would like to try out a Stitch Fix box. Oh, and you're not obligated. You do not have to do this. You can get 1 box and quit. You can get 3 boxes and quit. You can get them all the time like I do and then just quit, and you're under no obligation to continue if you don't want to, but I don't know why you wouldn't want to continue. Because, I even think I got these earrings from Stitch Fix, as a matter of fact. I have so much Stitch Fix stuff that I don't remember what I actually went out and bought and what was sent to me. So there's that. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get, pardon me, I have a frog in my throat. We're going to open up this box. I'm going to show you what I got this time. Okay, so it always comes in a box. The box is usually about this size, and I'll show you what I got. The first thing they always do is it's wrapped up nicely in paper. And they send you this little thing, and it shows you, like, if you have previous pieces that you purchased, they put them on here and they show you how these pieces will work with the pieces that you have already purchased, which I love, because sometimes, let's face it, you get in a fashion funk and you don't know what the heck goes with what. This takes all the guesswork out for you. Or if the pieces in here are new to you and like this is your first box, they'll show you other pieces that you can purchase from them that will coordinate with the pieces in the box. I love that because so many times I'm like, oh, I need that sweater to go with those pants, or oh, I need those shoes. You know how it is, girls. So there's that, and there's a note from your stylist. Her name was Kayla, and they send you a note explaining a little bit about what they sent, because that was what I had asked for. pardon me, and then, excuse me, the first thing I did get though, although I asked for some pants, this was a pair of jeans, and I'm telling you, they've sent me, I love the jeans they've sent me because the amount of jeans that I have, that I purchased from them, I would have had to go to several different department stores to actually find and try on, and this was just so much easier, and I'm finding a lot of different brands that I never even knew existed, and I love getting them. Now, these are called Just USA, and they're just a basic straight leg jean, which I like, no holes. Oh wait, they do have a little bit of distressing here. Take that back. A little bit of distressing, but not too much where it's, you know, inappropriate. So it says Just USA. These don't have the, usually I ask for the ones with the tummy thing, you know, that makes you like sucks in your tummy, because there's a lot of jean brands out there that they carry that they can send to me, and I'm going to show you that in the trousers that I ordered. But these are some really nice jeans, very soft denim, very soft. And I like it because I'm short. They fit me. It is so hard, girls. If you're short, can I get a witness? It is so dang hard to find a pair of pants that fit you without having to take them to the tailor. You pay another $25, wait another 2 to 3 weeks to get them back, and by then the season's over, and you're like, forget about it. Next thing you know, you've gained or lost weight, and it's like, that was all for nothing. Anyhow, so I've never had a pair of pants that I've had to get altered. And if you do, send them back. Because, like, say they send you a pair of pants that it doesn't fit you for whatever reason. It's too long, it's too big, it's too short, it's what? You can exchange it, send it back, and get the next size down, and it doesn't cost you. I love that. I hate paying shipping. So the next pair of pants that I got, the brand here is 41 Hawthorne. Duh. And these are like a khaki color. I love these. Look at the nice flat pockets in the back. And then look at the rolled crease on the bottom. These are beautiful pants. And I'm definitely going to keep these, that's for sure. Because you can wear these, my goodness, you can wear these at any time. They're lightweight. And these do not have a tummy panel on them. That's okay. I'll get Spanx from them. Oh, I already have. I can wear my, you know, the Spanx Shores, the tummy tamer, whatever it is you need. Now these, I love these. These are super soft. I wish you could feel these. These are by the brand Tribal, Tribal. And these are like a gray. Now these have like the front has no zipper, as you can see, but it has like these faux pockets in the front. I like the faux pockets. The reason why is I have a pump in my belly. My belly sticks out. Story for another day. So it's really hard for me. I will never have a flat belly with that, unfortunately. But if I wear pants or jeans with big bulky front pockets, it makes me look even bigger. So the front panels make your belly look even thinner, well, flatter, shall we say. And these came with a tummy band in them. Win-win. I love this, right? Then, excuse me, the back has just one, and again, it's a faux pocket. It's another flat pocket, so it doesn't add any bulk to your backside. Yeah, love that. And I love the shade too. I love gray. Gray is like my new thing I'm into. And these are so super soft. They are made of rayon, nylon, spandex, I think. Yes. Love these. I'll definitely be keeping these as well. And these are another pair by the same brand because I really like the tummy panel, and my stylist knows that. So, excuse me, these are again by Tribal, made of the same thing. It's got the tummy panel in it. Only this time it matches. Let's see if you can see that. There, can you see it? It's breathable material too, so it's not going to be like some heavy restrictive spandex. These are very soft, and they've got stretch all the way through them, if you can see that. So it's going to fit nicely over the backside. It's going to fit over the thighs. All the things, ladies, all the things. I love these. And then again, the bottom has the nice tailored look there with that cuff on the bottom. That makes you look so polished, so cleaned up looking. I love that. These would be great for church. These would be great for even going out. You know, you could dress these up, you know, to go to work. You could dress these up to, or dress down rather, or like, you know, sass them up a little bit if you wanted to go out at night. It would be like absolutely no problem. And look at this blouse that went with it. You're going to hear my daughter coming running in here in just a minute. She's messing with the dog. And this is by Fun to Fun. This is a pretty blouse, and this would match any of the pants that I just showed you. I don't know if you can see all this. Do you see how this will go with any of the pants that she sent me? I love that. Do you know how long this would have taken me at the mall to get? Like forever. In fact, it wouldn't have happened. I'd have come home really irritated. But this blouse is really lightweight. It's not see-through though, so it's not like you're gonna have to. It's not like it's cheap fabric where you're gonna have to go and get a cami on top of that, you know, where it's all sweaty and nasty. I should get you a better view of this top. It has like a very light floral pattern, and it is made It doesn't tell me, or I can't read it. Kenmore split neck blouse, off-white. It's got a little bit of navy blue in there. It's got a little bit of like an ochre color and like an off-white. This is beautiful. You can even wear this with the jeans if you wanted to for a more casual look. You could definitely wear it to the office or to church. I love this. Tuck it in, or you could just do the front tuck with that. Not a problem at all. Love that. Those are just some of the things that I got in this box. One other thing I did want to show you. I should have put these up on the desk so you could have seen them. And I've been wearing these. I love these boots. These are made by Mia, M-I-A. I'm sure you've heard of the brand Mia for shoes. It's got these zipper on the sides. It's real stretchy right here. And I love this. And I love that they sent these in a box. And they came in like a dust bag, which I love that because in the summertime when I'm not wearing them, I don't have to worry about them getting all dusty. Super comfortable. And that's just one of the many things you can get from Stitch Fix. You got to try it. You got to try it. Use my code, save yourself some money, and try your first one. It'll save you. It'll really save you. Then it comes with this self-addressed big envelope. I have never had anything where it didn't fit in the return envelope. All I do is stuff the things back in there that I don't want, and I drop it off in the post office. They give you about a week, and there have been a couple times where I just, I kind of forgot to return my thing, and you can extend the time on it, and it's never been a problem. I've extended it up to 3 weeks before when I just didn't have a chance to try it on, or I just forgot about it, or I couldn't make up my mind. There have been times where I was just indecisive, and there's never been a problem. And the items that you do want, you just go onto the app, and you say you want to keep. It charges your credit card, and it's done. You hang the stuff in your closet and you wear it. I love it. Stitch Fix has become one of my favorite convenience things that I've been using. Maybe 2 or 3 years I've been with Stitch Fix. I don't know, but I really like it. I highly encourage you to try it. You can go on there if you want to and just browse around and see what clothes they do have. Skirts, dresses, coats, whatever your style is. You do like a little style quiz and tell them what kind of things you like to wear and tell them things you won't wear. Like, if you don't like patent leather, or you don't like leather pants, or you don't like athleisure, just tell them that and they won't send it to you. It's great. It's catered to you. So I hope you enjoyed my Stitch Fix unboxing. That's a mouthful to say. If you'd like to see more videos just like this, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you've tried it, and go ahead and use my code. Like I said, save yourself some money and enjoy shopping from your seat, not from your feet. I will see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.